students, I Razia Patan from Gnanmaji Vidyapit, day 3. Now students, today we will start subtraction of the large number, worksheet number 3rd, unit number 2nd. In that unit, subtract and the cross checking using the addition. So how we'll do, we'll check one example. So here is one example, subtract the 5,12,648 from the 5,67,811 and then cross check with the addition. So first of all students, we have to subtract this. So we have to draw the place value box. In that place value box we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. Then we put the proper digits on that proper place. 5,67,811 minus 5,12,648 is there. So students, in that 1 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll cut 1 and write that 0, and here we have to write the 10. So 10 minus 8, 3 is there. 10 minus 8, 3 is there. Then 0 minus 4 is not possible, we'll cut 8, write that 7, and here we have to write 10. 10 minus 4, 10 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We'll cut 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is there. So we have to write here 6. 7 minus 6, 7 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 will cut. So remain number is a 1. We have to write here 1. 7 minus 2, 7 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 will cut 2, 1 and 2. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to write here 5. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 6 minus 1, 6 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will cut 1. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to write here 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So 5,67,811 minus 5,12,648 is equal to answer is 55,630. Now we'll check it out this answer. Answer is correct or not. How will identify that? So we have to do the addition. We have to, first of all, we have to draw the place value tables. In that tables we have to write the ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 lakhs is there. We have to write our answer. That answer will take from will get from the subtractions. That answer we have to write here 55,163. Then we have to plus 5,12,648. If we are getting the answer of the upper side, then our answer is correct. So now look at this, 3 plus 8, 3 on your mind, 8 on your finger, 3 then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have to write the 1 here, 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 7 on your mind, 4 on your finger. So 7 then 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to write the 1 here, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 2 on your mind, 6 on your finger. So 2 then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write here 8. 5 plus 2, 5 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 5 then 6 and 7. So we have to write here 7. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 5 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 5 after 6 is there. We have to write here 6. And here we have to write 5 as it is. So our answer is 5,67,811. So this, now look at this, all the all the numbers are same, so answer is correct. Now students, I'll give you one miss. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next question number first. Students, now we'll start first one portion in the maths worksheet number second. So first one portion is subtract the following numbers vertically and then cross check using the addition in your notebook. So first one sum is 9,45,560 9,45,668 minus 1,34,504 is there. Now students, we have to draw the place value tables. We have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Here we have to write 9,445, 9 lakhs, 45 lakhs, 45,668 minus 1,34,504. Now 8 minus 4, 8 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain number is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to write here 4. 6 minus 0, 6 as it is. 6 minus 5, 6 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will cut here. So remain number is a 1. We have to write here 1. 5 minus 4, 5 on your finger. Cut 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain number is a 1. We have to write here 1. 4 minus 3, 4 on your finger. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. So remain number is a 1. We have to write here 1. 9 minus 1, 9 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will cut 1. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to write here 8. We have to write here 8. Now students, our answer is correct or not. So how will identify that thing? So we have to do the addition. Again we have to draw the place value table. First of all, we have to write here 9,45,668 minus 1,34,504 is equal to, answer is 8,11,164 is there. Then we have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. Here we have to write आंसर, वी हैव टू राइट एडिशन में से हमें जो आंसर मिला है वो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 8,11,164 प्लस 1,34,504 इज देयर. 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 0 6, 1 plus 5, 1 on your mind, 5 on your finger, 1 then 2 3 4 5 6. We have to write here 6. 1 plus 4, 1 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 1 then 3, 1 then 2 3 4 5. We have to write here 5. 1 plus 3, 1 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 1 then 2 3 and 4. We have to write here 4. 8 plus 1, 8 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 8 after 9 is there. So answer is 9. So we'll get the 9,45,668 is there. So here we have to write the answer. 8,11,164 minus 1,34,504 is equal to 9,45,668 is. So our answer is this one. Answer is correct. This is answer is correct. Okay. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute so you have to complete your work. I hope so students, your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now students, second one sum, B1 sum. 6,81,145 minus 2,33,212. So in that we have to draw place value table first. We have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs is there. Then we have to write here 6,81,145, 2,33,212. 5 minus 2, 5 on your finger, cut 2, 1, 2. So remain number is a 1, 2 and 3. So we have to write here 3. 4 minus 1, 4 on your finger, cut 1. So remain number is a 1, 2 and 3. So we have to write here 3. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is not possible. So we'll cut 1, write here 0. We have to cut here 1, write here 10. 10 minus 2, 10 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut 2, 1 and 2 here we cut. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to write here 8. 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 3 is not possible. We'll cut 7 or 8. Write here 7. Cut 0. Write here 10. 10 minus 3. 10 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll cut 3. 1, 2 and 3. So remain number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to write here 7. 7 minus 3. 7 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. So remain number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to write here 4. 6 minus 2. 6 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll cut 2. 1 and 2. So remain number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to write here 4. So our answer is, during the subtraction, answer is 6,81,145 minus 2,33,212 is equal to 4,47,833. Now we'll check this one answer is correct or not. So how we'll check this? So we have to draw the place value tables. By addition we'll get the correct answer. So place value tables, first of all we have to draw. In that place value tables we have to write here ones, tens, we have to write here tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Then we have to write here 4 lakhs, 47,833 minus plus 2 lakhs 33,212 is there. Now 3 plus 2, 3 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 3 then 4 and 5. So here we have to write 5. 3 plus 1, 3 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 3 after 4. So here we have to write 4. 8 plus 2, 8 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 8 after 9 and 10. So we have to write here 10. We have to write here 0, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 7, 8 is there, 8 plus 3, 8 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 8 then 9, 10, 11. So here we have to write 1, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 4, 5 is there, 5 plus 3, 5 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 5 then 5 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 5 then 6, 7, 8. So here we have to write 8. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4 on your mind, 4 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 4 after 5 and 6. So here we have to write 6. Now students, first of all you have to look at this addition sums. Now students, look at this and write it down in your maths notebook. I will give you half an minutes. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I will show you addition sums. Look at this and write it down in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is, students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 3rd. In that worksheet number 3rd, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने सम नंबर ए एंड बी किया है. नाउ योर होमवर्क इज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द सम नंबर सी डी ई एफ जी एच. दैट सम्स you have to complete it. Only sum number C, D, E, F, G and H, that sums you have to complete it and send it to me homework before 1:30. You have to send it to me homework. Okay everyone, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.